Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to apply the gradient tool. First create a layer like this, then select the gradient tool. The shortcut is G. Once you select, click here to expand. Here you will get various presets to play around. You can select whatever color you feel like to. So let me select this one. Once you select, just drag like this to apply the color to your layer. So you have all the freedom to apply in whatever direction you feel like to. Here there are some presets you can use. Press and hold shift and drag to get a horizontal line, or can create a vertical line. In this case, if you just press and hold shift and drag horizontally, you will get vertical line like this, and if you do the opposite, you will get horizontal line like this, and if you drag closer, you will get thin line like this, and if you drag bigger, you will get bigger line like this, and the last one is this one. You also can apply the reverse option to see how it looks. You always can change your color as per your choice. Just click on the handle, click here and select your color. You also can add color. Just click to add nodes like this and select your desired color. You also can set your location from here. Also can drag like this. And if you want, just delete it. And on the top, you can play with the opacity. Also can move the location. Just drag like this to see how it looks. Apply the reverse option. You can just play around and test all the settings and see how it looks. Here I have an image which I have already cut by using pen tool. Let me apply the gradient to the background of this subject. First create a new layer. And select a color. Press and hold shift and just drag to apply. Create another layer. Click here and select a different color. Again press and hold shift and drag to apply. Press M. Select the half. With the layer selected, click here to apply mask. This way you can apply the gradient to the background of your subject.